The martial art of Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu rose to popularity with MMA fighting. Not only does the sport push their bodies through grappling and ground fighting, athletes say there are mental benefits too, especially for veterans. MTN's Evelyn Schultz introduces us to a combat veteran who's encouraging other service members to hit the mats for their mental health.
It's years of boredom with a few moments of terror.
Decorated Army veteran Anthony Butler deployed 4 times, spending almost 2 years in combat zones. In 2003, Butler commanded one of the lead infantry companies into Baghdad during the invasion of Iraq.
I had 2 of my guys who were killed in just the first day of combat. I've been on the ground when an IED has gone off and someone I know has lost a limb. Very difficult.
Butler said the physical experiences impacted his mental health. As an officer, he also felt additional pressure.
There wasn't a time, especially when I was there, where I was allowed or had a chance or a moment where I could grieve. It accumulates, and then one day you have to go back and pay the price for it.
As the sun rises each Friday, you'll now find Butler teaching at Helena Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. He committed to the sport after returning to Savannah, Georgia.
Everywhere I went, I always found I either found a club or I started one. It's helped me deal with some of the combat experiences that I had.
In Montana, Butler built a community on the mats.
Jiu-Jitsu has given me a place where I can center my life on.
Butler now works with a doctor from the VA to help him manage his PTSD diagnosis. But he says the sport helps provide a focus for his life. He's not alone. A 2019 study published in Military Medicine reveals veterans who participated in Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu for 5 months showed marked improvements in their PTSD symptoms. Butler invites other veterans to join him for a class and know they're not alone either.
You feel isolated, and it's easy to feel isolated, and Jiu-Jitsu kind of helps fill that hole.
In Helena, Evelyn Schultz, MTN News.